Dear students, good afternoon. In previous class, students, you learned about the algae. Today we are going to learn about the bryophytes. And first of all, you learn the general character of the bryophytes. What are the general characters of the bryophytes? General characters. General characters of the bryophytes. The general characters, what are the general characters? It means bryophytes are amphibious in nature. Amphibious in nature. It means it's having land as well as in water. Why water is necessary? Water is necessary for the fertilization. Next is the bryophytes having no vascular tissues. There is no vascular tissue. No vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. Dear students, there is no use of the vascular tissue, so there is no found vascular tissue, vascular bundle, and in vascular bundle you know the xylem and phloem tissues are found, so it is not necessary for the bryophytes to vascular tissues. Next topic is the habitat of the bryophytes. According to habitat, where found? This is found in the moist places. Moist places. Next point is it's having the size, small size. Next character is they lack root, stem, and leaf, but also found as root-like structure, stem-like structure, and leaf-like structure. So we have talking about the structure of the bryophytes, which is that is showing in the diagram. That is the bryophyte structure plant. And for example, what are the bryophytes example? Rixia, Markensia, Pellia, Porella. These are the examples of the bryophytes. And you see the diagram. This is the root-like structure, rhizoid. This is the stem-like structure, not fully stem, true stem. And this is the leaf-like structure. Here you see the seta, here you see the foot, and here you see the capsule. In capsule is filled up with the spore, which is the spore. And after that you see the life cycle of the bryophytes. We are going to learn about the life cycle of the bryophytes. Life cycle of the bryophytes. Life cycle of bryophytes. Life cycle of bryophytes. Students, you see that they are the multicellular sporophyte, live over the haploid gametophyte. Bryophytes, they have the multicellular sporophyte, lives over the haploid gametophytes. Second is the dominant phase is the gametophyte, which is Dominant phase is the gametophyte, and sporophyte is found on the gametophyte. Third point, and it is haploid stage of the plant. Bryophytes is also found in the haploid stage of the plant. Haploidic phase means haploidic, that is the gametophytic. Gametophyte. And here is the sporophyte. Sporophyte. And you see ये हैप्लॉन्टिक स्टेज, हैप्लॉन्टिक phase, and this is the diplontic phase. Diplontic phase. Haplontic phase means number of chromosomes n, and diplontic phase is number of chromosomes 2n. So students, you see here the gametophyte from the sporophyte or from sporophyte to the gametophyte, and this is showing the alternation of generation where two stages are found in the life cycle of the plant. Here you see the structure of bryophytes is showing the alternation of generation, and that is the structure. First of all, you see the plant is the gametophyte, and gametophytic plant converted into male and female gametes, and this is the male gamete having the flagella, and this is the female jacket-like structure. So male gamete with the help of water going to the female, and the zygote is formed, and number of zygote in 2n number, and here is the process mitosis is allowed, and next the embryo form. The number of embryo in the number of chromosomes in the embryo is also sporophytic or diplontic phase. So again the what is formed? The sporophyte is formed, and in the process of meiosis, what takes place? Sporangium takes place, spores mother cell is formed. That is the sporangium, and is having the spores. With the rupture of the sporangium, spore is going on outside, and with the favorable condition, there is two types of the bryophytes we learn. That is first the liverwort, and second is the mosses. Liverwort, that is the thyroid-like structure, and changes with the germination of the spore, converted into the gametophytic stage, and mosses are the filamentous structure. With the favorable condition, protonema is formed and then converted into gametophytic plant. So you see the alternation of generation in the bryophytes. Students, when the haploid to diploid conversion stage is formed, that is the process involved in the mitosis, and when the diploid to haploid is converted, that is the meiosis process. So students, you learn the very carefully, and again in topic we learn the pteridophytes. Thank you so much students.